Hello everyone, today we have two questions for statics or the equilibrium questions that we can solve it together. First one, the beam is subjected to a force and a couple. So first thing he wants us to do is draw a free body diagram of the beam and determine the direction of A and B. First thing we can do is just draw the free body diagram. That's what he wants us to do at A. So as we can see here, there's a pen. So pen kind of like give you AX in the X direction and give you AY in a Y direction because of this pen. And that's a ruler. You can see like two small circles over there that give you only one, which is in BY. Okay, and then you can write down AB. You can see also here there is a 3 kilonewton. When you see the arrow down, you can put the arrow down here to not get to make it easier for yourself. 30 kilonewton, and here there's a moment of 100 kilonewton dot meter. How you know there's a moment? Kilonewton dot meter. That's not a force, that's a moment. So when you have the three, you see like we have three unknown, AX, AY, BY, and we have three equations. Summation of f of x equals 0. We say that's equilibrium, is not moving. F of y equals 0. Moment at any point we want, which usually you use the one that has more reactions, so it can be cancelled out, so it'll be easier to get like one unknown or something. We will see. So let's get started. Now we try to determine A and B. We can start for summation of f of x. So summation of f of x is kind of like summation of f of x equals 0 is only you have AX on the x direction. So it will be AX equals 0. You don't have anything else, you don't have any reaction, any force on the x direction. Second thing you can do, f of y equals 0. You have AY, BY going up, here up, AY plus BY, and you have this 30 kilonewtons going down. So it will be minus 30 equals 0. Try it down to take this other side. AY plus BY equal 30. That is the first equation. Now we have AY plus BY equal 30. We can now you get the moment. Which point we can choose? We can choose point A. Why we choose A? Because we have two reactions here, AX and AY, so we don't have to worry about them. I will be having only BY that is unknown, and we can get it. So as here that's 4 and that's 3 meters. So basically they'll be cancelled out, we don't have to worry about them. You have BY. Here is the point. You make it clockwise because that's the arrows here. So here is, my bad, is anti-clockwise. It's going anti-clockwise. So here is positive multiplied by the length, which is 4. Coming here, you can make the moment. You see this one is like going clockwise, so it will be negative 30 multiplied for the whole distance, which is 7, plus this number kilonewton per meter, the moment. And here we don't have to multiply by the distance because that's anyway is kilonewton per meter, so it's by itself. You just put it by itself. There's no any length. equals 0. Now we can get by. So by equal, gonna take the this 2 to the other side, so 30 multiplied by 7 minus 100 divided by 4, so by equal, get your calculator, 30 multiplied 27.5 kilonewton, and that's 2. Now we can put 2 and 1 to get AY. So AY plus 27.5 equal 30. Take this one to the other side. So AY equal 2.5 kilonewton. Okay, so basically we make f of x, f of y, and the moment. F of x is only one direction, so ax equals 0, and that's it. There's nothing else in the x direction. For f of y, we have 3. We have ay up, by up. They're gonna be the same sign, and this one down will be the other side. Positive or negative, it doesn't matter, because you can take, if that is negative, that's negative, you can take it to the other side and give you the same answer at the end. Okay, coming in a moment, you use the point of like having more reactions to not worry about them. So we use MA to be equal 0. We'll have by anti-clockwise, that's why it's positive, clockwise is negative, and you multiply by the distance, 100 by itself, put it by itself. And by the way, here it was given to you, here it is anti-clockwise, that's why we put this positive here. Okay, we get by and ay. So what if, on the second question, what if we take the 100 kilonewton and put it in A? It will be the same thing, ax, ay, by, 30, and now the 100 kilonewton here. You gotta make the same thing, f of x equals 0, which is still ax equals 0, summation of f of y equals 0, still have ay plus by minus 30, which you can make it the same, ay plus, that's equal 0, ay plus by equal 30. Coming in a moment, we're gonna use also the moment at point A. So why also choose A? Because we're still removing the resistance. So the good question is 100 gonna be cancelled out? The answer is no. That's the moment. It is not related to the reactions. So basically it's gonna be exactly the same thing as the first question. It will be 100 plus by multiplied by 4 minus 30 multiplied by 7. So you can get by, which was 27.5 kilonewton, and ay equal 2.5 kilonewton. So by comparing to them, there is no any different. If you put it here or you put it here, it's gonna be the same result at the end, because that's the moment. It will not be cancelled out with this point. If you have any question, please write it down in the comments. In our channel, we're gonna make a lot of practice problems like that. So make sure to subscribe so you can track in any questions. Please, if you have any question also about any problems, please send it to me and I will try to make a video to help you on how to solve it. That's it for today, and have a good day.